Welcome back to the channel. And today we are throwing a coolest party ever on our breadboard. We are going to make a 5 colorful light turns on at the same time: red, green, blue, yellow, and white, like a real disco ball. Ready to make your room sparkle? Let's go. What we need today for this activity, first of all, our breadboard, 5 colorful LEDs, 5 resistors, a lot of jumper wires, and 9-volt battery. So put the red wire on the breadboard and the black wire on the knitted terminal of the breadboard. Now this time to pick a LED and put it on a breadboard. So the negative terminal of the LED should be inserted in the negative terminal of the breadboard and the positive terminal with the pin number 25. Now do the same for the other 4 LEDs in the different rows. Maybe row 21, 20, 16, 11, 5. What side of push button to the red? And one jumper wire connect with the positive terminal to this switch. Now put this 330 ohm resistor along with the long leg of this LED to positive terminal of the other rail. Now do for the same of all LEDs. Okay, so kindly make a connection with this jumper wire from other terminal of this switch to the terminal which is connected to the resistor lag, like this. Now our circuit is complete. You can see the when you press the button, it shows the disco light.